Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can add your bank details information in your Clickbank. So first you guys will open your Clickbank dashboard, and then you can navigate to the your account section. So from there you can create your nickname. So if you haven't created your nickname, so simply you can click on the create a nickname. There you can select your account type. Select, so if you are wanting to promote products, you can select affiliate products. There you can type any name, then you can simply click on the sign up button. Then you easily will create your nickname. So this is a very simple process. Once you create your nickname, so you can click on your nickname, and you will redirect on this fit daddy your Clickbank dashboard. Then after, you can click on the account settings. Then you will scroll and you can see there is a payment information. So you can click on the edit button. From there you can select your payment thresholds. So it is how much you wanting to withdraw from your Clickbank account. So I can select $25. Then you can select the direct deposit, and if you're wanting to accept payment weekly or every 2 weeks, so from there you can select, and you will see there is a direct deposit information. So from there you can select your bank country. So which country you are living, so you can select your country, bank country. There you can see there is a bank city, so you can type your bank city, your bank name, and your account number. Then you can fill your IFSC code here. Then after, you can select in a saving account. So let me fill my bank details here. So you will see we successfully added our bank details here. Change your payment method or waiting approval. So before the changes take effect, you must approve them by clicking the link provided via email. We delivered you your account email address. The email will be sent from the no reply. If you did not make these changes, please contact customer support. So this is a message. So they will send you the approve them by clicking to the link. So let me check the Gmail what I receive. So you can see action required. Please verify that you want to change a payment preference by clicking below. If you did not make these changes, so you can click on this, and this is a Clickbank want to inside information Clickbank manager email preference. So you can ignore this. So if you wanting, so you can verify. If you wanting to verify your changes, so you can click on this, and you see the account changes you are attempt to take cannot be completed. So overall, this is the process to how you can add your bank details, bank information in your Clickbank account. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, doubts, or any suggestions, so you can share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can going to connect with me easily. For the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.